हो गया कि मतलब लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे भी रील्स पे ये स्कीमें बेच रहे हैं। आई डोंट थिंक रियलिस्टिकली लोगों को समझ आता है कि कितना कुछ हो जाता है, लोगों के घर बिक जाते हैं, जमीनें बिक जाती है। माय मदर रिसेंटली टोल्ड मी कि उनके साथ भी हो चुका है कि मैं थोड़ी डरी हुई भी थी। इट्स वेरी ट्रिकी टू प्ले अ नेगेटिव कॉल। मैंने तो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, मैंने कभी स्क्रिप्ट मांगी ही नहीं। A lot of people came and said, you know, but don't you think you should be a part of something more commercial? You're a dancer, you're a Bollywood girl, like I'm a Masi girl. One thing my father's always given me, तुम्हारे जो भी decisions है सही तुम खुद सीखोगी, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ। मेरा एक तो कुछ खास बड़ा प्लान नहीं था एक्टिंग करने का। I knew it was a negative part, but you look at Priyanka Chopra. Something had happened on set where all of us were falling sick. I had fallen the most sick. I was on IVs. I was in a very bad state, and the doctors were like, "We have to admit her." 102, 103 बुखार होता था मुझे. Hi, I'm Alfia Jaffrey, and you're watching me on Bazooka.
एक ऐसे बिजनेस के बारे में बात करेंगे जो बिजनेस तो नहीं है, बेसिकली इट्स अ स्कैम, और उसी टाइप का स्कैम को लेके एक सीरीज है जो अमेजोन प्राइम पे है, जिनकी कलाकार आज हमारे साथ है, बजूका के साथ है। सबसे पहले वेलकम टू बजूका। टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट दिस बिजनेस, स्कैम, फ्रॉड।
I feel like ये कभी ना कभी किसी ना किसी के साथ हुआ जरूर है।
राइट।
I feel like मुझे इस बात की ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं थी until I really got involved and then I started seeing। अब तो मतलब इतना ओपन हो गया कि मतलब लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे भी रील्स पे ये स्कीमें बेच रहे हैं। So it is there, it is still pretty much there, it is in your small cities, sometimes your big cities, ये हर जगह है। And more than anything, I feel like with this show, people will also start realizing the magnitude of what has happened and what is this scheme all about. You know, I don't think realistically लोगों को समझ आता है कि कितना कुछ हो जाता है, लोगों के घर बिक जाते हैं, जमीनें बिक जाती है, you know. So yeah.
As I told you कि मैं भी इस स्कीम से गुजर ही चुका था जब मैं काफ़ी यंग था। बट अभी जो बात करें, क्या आपने ये शो शुरू होने से पहले, when you came to know about the show, क्या आपने रिसर्च की? Have you seen the people or done research something like that?
Oh yeah. तो जब I had my जब हो गया कि ठीक है ये करना है, तो they showed me a couple of real life videos of what you're seeing in the trailer, and we showed it going on stage with the team and talking and the speeches. That was shown to me, जो real life में होता है. Then I came back home, क्योंकि मेरे साथ कभी कुछ नहीं हुआ था. I asked my family, and then it happened that it had happened in my family. My mother recently told me कि उनके साथ भी हो चुका है when she was younger. Then we would watch all this content and videos available on your YouTube, Reels, हर जगह. So I felt like I did my research really well about the scam.
And the biggest compliment that you have got from this series? Anything from the fan, from family, friends?
I feel like इतना प्यार मिल रहा है ना मुझे, उतना मैंने सोचा नहीं था. क्योंकि पहला मेरा एक्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट ये मेरा पहला है, तो ऑब्वियसली मैं थोड़ी डरी हुई भी थी. वो मैं यहाँ बॉम्बे से हूँ, मेरी लाइफ एक तरीके से मैंने जी है, और कृतिका जो लड़की है वो पूरी अलग है. एक हरिद्वार से, she's from Delhi, then हरिद्वार, और कैसे वो इस स्कीम का पार्ट एक बहुत छोटी उम्र से, जो फर्स्ट सीन है जो अभी वायरल जा रहा है, मम्मी तो सबको भैया बुलवा देती है, वो आई फील लाइक उसकी इनोसेंस से लेके उसकी उस एज तक उसका एक खुद का अल्टीरियर मोटिव है, यू नो. सो ओनली द पीपल हु वॉच्ड द होल शो, उनके तरफ से जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट आए हैं हैव रियली स्टक विथ मी. वन वाज, ऐसा तो लगा ही नहीं कि तुम पहली बार कर रही हो. देन समवन वेरी वेरी रिस्पेक्टेबल told me कि I watched the whole show And
Would you like to name?
maybe not. But someone from my industry
Uh.
called me and said, you know, the fact that I know you personally और तुमने ये किया है, it's very tricky to play a negative girl.
Yes.
And then by the end of it, have people love you and understand you why you're negative.
Why you're negative?
Yeah, because that's the whole arc. You think she's up to something, and only in the last climax you understand, okay, no, she's been through this, is why this was her ulterior motive.
That's why she's negative.
Yeah, and then you feel bad for her because then after that climax, she also changes.
Okay.
You know, so I feel like it's the compliments have mainly been about not so much as, and also I don't have any makeup. That I have no foundation on the show.
Mm-hmm.
They wanted me to look as real and
Very
normal, a normal 21, 22-year-old girl from Haridwar, which was also difficult because I'm not 21, 22.
Mm.
So to play that age and like, also I'm playing my 18-year-old self on the show as well.
Yes.
So to play that age and have that innocence on your face, I feel like you really have to understand the character, and people are seeing that, and I think that's my biggest compliment.
भूमि सर मेरी क्या रिस्पॉन्स दिया? सबसे पहला सवाल ये है कि जब ये प्रोजेक्ट आया तो क्या आपने उनसे शेयर किया? द फर्स्ट थिंग, ही इज द मोस्ट एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन, ही नोज एवरीथिंग एंड योर फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट। तो रहता है ना, हम किसी से पूछते हैं कि यार पहला प्रोजेक्ट है एंड एक्सपीरियंस से पूछते हैं कि हाँ मुझे ये करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए। वाज इट लाइक दैट इन योर केस?
मैंने तो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी भी नहीं,
नहीं,
मैंने कभी स्क्रिप्ट मांगी ही नहीं. आई मेट माई लवली डायरेक्टर्स and just they pitched Kritika to me.
Okay.
And I was sold. A lot of people came and said, you know, but don't you think you should be a part of something more commercial? You're a dancer. You've been a Bollywood girl. Like, I'm a Masi girl. And I don't know what it was, but in my heart I was like, I'm going to do this. But dad asked me, ठीक है तो तुम एक, and everything happened very fast for me. In 10 days, I think we did workshops. 12th or 14th day, I was on my flight to Haridwar. So, my dad asked me, कि तुम sure हो? And I was like, हाँ. And one thing my father's always given me is faith.
Yes, that's important.
You know that तुम्हारे जो भी डिसीजंस हैं, सही गलत तुम खुद सीखोगे, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. एंड आई जस्ट रिमेंबर टेलिंग हिम, आप समझो जो ये लड़की है, अगर मैंने इसका पार्ट सही से कर लिया तो आपसे ज़्यादा खुश कोई नहीं होगा. एंड ही वाज लाइक ठीक है देखेंगे बेटा एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड देन ही फाइनली सॉ फर्स्ट टाइम नाउ लास्ट वीक we kept a screening, so he saw the first 2 episodes. My dad got up with one little tear in his eye and he was like, I am so proud of you. And that's the upbringing I think he's given both me and my brother, कि खुद के फैसले लो.
वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट
Yeah.
है. बट एज अ कलाकार जब हम पहले ही स्क्रिप्ट जो करते हैं या फिर पहला प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं तो हम चाहते हैं कि नेगेटिव किरदार ना हो आपका, तो नेगेटिव फिर ठीक है ओके. बट ये मन में रहता है यार नेगेटिव क्यों? क्योंकि काफ़ी कलाकार पहला स्क्रिप्ट अगर नेगेटिव करते तो उस टाइप के ही रोल मिलते. ए बी है कि एक हमारे महान कलाकार शाहरुख खान जिन्होंने पहला नेगेटिव किया और उनके बाद पूरी अभी बादशाह है वो, तो आपके मन में ये था कि नेगेटिव क्यों? मैं कुछ रोम कॉम करती हूँ, रोमांस करती हूँ.
वो सब आता था, पर मैं आपको सच बताऊं, मेरा एक तो उतना कुछ खास बड़ा प्लान नहीं था एक्टिंग करने का. मैं खुश थी, ट्राइब आया, हम सब बहुत खुश थे, मज़े कर रहे थे. उसके जो मेरे लिए सफलता थी उसके फ्रूट्स एंजॉय कर रहे थे, कैंपेन्स चल रहे थे, सब सही था. आई एम पर्सनली अ फैन ऑफ TVF एंड द काइंड ऑफ स्टफ दे मेक. एंड जब ये प्रोजेक्ट का हो रहा था, I knew it was a negative part. But you look at Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah.
Aetraz, right?
Aetraz.
It's my most favorite performance of her. and I feel like you can't get typecasted so soon. If I keep doing one thing repeatedly, then this is the best way to start, because I feel, because I've done casting myself for a few years, people will see, okay, this is how she changes, this is who she is. They've seen me and my personal life on a platform. They know how I am. They actually know I'm Masi and who I am as a girl. And then to see this complete switch on the same platform. Prime had Tribe and Prime has this also. So even Prime, obviously, they have really shown faith in me to trust me to do a part like Kritika's. Because it's a very twisted part. Not everybody will understand, you know. And you need to be a very seasoned actor to be in the kind of setup and ensemble I was in. You know, such great actors. You have Param, you have Ranveer sir, you have Shekhar Suman, you have Ashish, you have the best kind of actors. So एक mismatch can really spoil things. So they also had a lot of faith in me. And by the end of it, I feel like ये कर लिया है. And now I know कि hopefully इसके और seasons होंगे. I'll hopefully come back.
Second season,
Yeah.
third season.
But now I'm going to pick different kind of work, you know.
Okay.
Hopefully I'll get work after this.
Yes,
We'll see
yes.
क्या नहीं यार, इससे हो जाएगा.
यहाँ ही बैठ के इंटरव्यूज भी करेंगे.
इंशाल्लाह.
And शेखर सर, tell me something. क्योंकि मैंने बहुत कुछ सुना है उनके बारे में कि उनसे काफ़ी कुछ सीख सकते हैं ड्यूरिंग द शूट, ऑफ द कैमरा. सबसे बड़ा लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस है.
So Shekhar sir, honestly, Shekhar sir and I don't have any scenes together.
Okay.
But promotion के time we spent a little bit of time, and उससे पहले the first day Mahura day at Con they were shooting. And I was just in awe of watching these great actors perform in front of me. Even Vijay sir, who's playing my father, he's an amazing actor. I hope you watch the show. You'll see that there are some really great characters that are being played by such wonderful actors.
I promise you I will watch it.
Yeah.
After this interview, I'll go home. The first thing I'm doing, watching the show. Because I have not watched. I'll be honest with you, with my audience. And tell me something about Ranveer sir.
Ranveer sir, I love Ranveer sir. He's actually very misunderstood. I myself misunderstood him from a time that I used to cast and whatever. Until I reached the set, I think he has the craziest sense of humor, the best working ethics and boundaries. Nothing shakes the man. And I hope one day, like, I learn how I can be half of him, because
Is he strict during the shoot,
No.
of the shoot?
No, not at all.
No?
Very patient. I remember something had happened on set where all of us were falling sick. And
Okay.
I had fallen the most sick. I was on IVs. In some scenes, you can actually see my IV patch.
हाँ.
और वो IV सिर्फ 4 घंटे के लिए काम करता था मेरी बॉडी पे. So they knew कि ये 4 घंटे है. And literally, like, they had kept like a nurse, everything, because I was in a very bad state, and the doctors were like, we have to admit her. And my producers, my directors called up my parents for the first time. First time my parents have come to work. And they were like, let's get you admitted. You know, you're not well. And it was something about some food that we were all eating. Everyone was falling sick. Climate changes, because we would travel a lot in Haridwar to Dehradun, XYZ. Everybody knew कि इसके 4 घंटे का बैटरी है. But that also used to be very bad. उसमें भी 102, 103 बुखार होता था मुझे.
Okay.
और जो मेरा सबसे important scene है where I have my mental breakdown, which you will see, was when I had this IV.
Okay, IV.
And it was the most difficult scene for me. And I remember on those days, all my senior actors were so supportive, were so accommodating when it came to me. नहीं उसको करने को, बच्ची करने को, कोई बात नहीं, हम बैठ जाएंगे. गर्मी कड़कती धूप पसीने, दे तो वेयरिंग wigs and costumes and नहीं we'll wait, उसको करने दो, कोई बात नहीं. I feel like because I said मेरे को admit नहीं होना, I don't want to mess the schedule up because I knew everybody had dates का problem आगे जाके, and I didn't want to spoil something that I love so much. नहीं बॉम्बे में लगा लेंगे ये वो. I was like नहीं, मैं खत्म करके ही बॉम्बे जाऊंगी.
Okay.
And even to finish that, the support system around me, my directors, my co-actors, someone as senior as Anjam sir, everybody was like ठीक है, उसका पहले खत्म कर लो. They'd be sitting in heat. Because vans बहुत दूर होती थी जहाँ पे हम शूट कर रहे थे. And I feel like that only comes with, you know, life and experiences and how senior and secure you are. So I couldn't, that's why I repeatedly say this, I couldn't have gotten through this project without each and every person.
During that period, what you told to yourself, because it's your first project and you're going through so many things, 104 fever, what's the one thing that you told yourself that I need to do it?
This is my only chance to prove myself as an actor.
Okay.
And God has given me this chance, and I don't know if I'll get many chances.
Yes.
So I will give it my all, and the people that have put so much faith in me and taking me despite my image being this, you know, girl from Dharma tribe, you know, LA, TVF has chosen me.
Yeah.
You know, when they make such respectable like work, and especially not just that, their work is very rooted. They reach places in India that not everybody can, you know. So that faith they had put in me, and I felt like I couldn't disappoint anyone.
Yeah, that's true.
And yeah, that's all I did.
While growing up, what was the culture in your house? Because writer director, one of the greatest writer director as a father,
Yes.
when you see him as a idol, so सबसे बड़ा experience and learning process क्या होता था बचपन से?
His discipline, very disciplined man. I've worked in this industry now almost. I've been assisting, doing casting now since 16. The discipline he has, I have not seen anyone have. दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए, the man will go to sleep at his time.
Okay.
It can be the biggest person's party in the world. He will leave, he will come home, he will sleep. He will get up at the same time. He's been eating the same breakfast since 10 years. He has the same routine. He'll go up to his writing room, he will sit, he will write. Anything can be, and that is very difficult, I feel, because day-to-day life mein, and especially in this industry, routine is something that is a far-fetched dream. That discipline, I feel like कुछ भी हो रहा हो, ये घंटे मैं काम करता हूँ, ये घंटे मेरी फैमिली का है, ये मेरे दोस्तों का है, ये टाइम पे मैं सो जाता हूँ, ये टाइम पे मैं खा लेता हूँ, खत्म. फिर it doesn't matter. That discipline I feel is the reason he is where he is.
Yes.
You know, because it's very easy to get swayed away, carried away. He's best friends with half of this industry, and every day there is something. He's never cared. Networking is not his strongest suit. He has no PR, never seen
Nothing.
also. He's like मेरा काम बोलेगा. That sense of like discipline and stability is something I have seen growing up, and I hope one day I can be like that.
Yes, we have seen so many projects, but आपको सबसे favorite project कौन सा? कोई भी दो?
Cats?
Yes.
चलते चलते.
Okay.
I'll say three.
Three.
Different genres.
Yes.
So चलते चलते I love. These three I would want to be in also. That's what I'm saying.
My next question was that only.
Yeah.
चले.
चलते चलते अंजाम
अंजाम. चलते चलते.
and BV number 1.
4. BV number 1 as Shushmita ma'am.
Yeah.
चलते चलते as Rani ma'am.
No, BV number 1 I would want to be Karishma.
Okay, Karishma.
Yeah, the BV.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
The BV. चलते in the next
चलते
one.
चलते is Rani ma'am.
Yeah.
And Anjam is Shahrukh and Madhuri ji.
Yeah. Madhuri ma'am character. And what was the third one?
3 ना, चलते चलते अंजाम
अंजाम
and बीवी नंबर 1.
BB number 1. Okay. And did he was very close to Salman sir. We all know. So उनके बारे में कुछ कहानी उन्होंने बताई है कि as an actor how was he, because he is the greatest.
मैं तो बड़ी उनके साथ
साथ
हुई
हुई
हूँ and he's honestly he's got the best heart and I just feel like yeah, there's no one like Salman Khan at the end of the day. Like the people that he loves or doesn't love also. Yeah, he's all heart. And I mean, work and these things are so secondary when it's such a personal thing for us, you know, in this house. And he's been there for my father. My father made his directorial debut with him.
Yeah.
And he supported my father through all of that. And there's this mutual respect and love and admiration between him and my dad and all of us as families also.
Yeah.
Because obviously our families have now seen a lot together. So
Yes.
yeah, I mean, there's only love and respect there.
Have he told you about any take he have given you?
So he was the first. Many years back, he was the one who told me कि तुझे heroine बना दूंगा मैं. And then life happened and I happened to myself. So that though didn't happen but that's on me. And now I'm doing this the hard way. I feel like I like choosing harder things for myself. It's a problem. Okay.
And if you want to cast anyone from his family, like you heroine and anyone from his family as a hero, कौन होगा वो शख्स और क्यों?
His family.
So many
Hero?
male actors.
Yeah. Like if it was a nice story about like a brother and sister,
Yeah.
then I would take Arhan. I have a very like he's like my baby brother.
Okay.
So I would want to do a movie with Arhan where we're playing like siblings
sister.
and like some action film together like that. Brother sister taking over the world types.
Okay. So nextly, what's your upcoming projects? How you are looking forward?
I'm looking forward to a lot of stuff now. Now, 1 year I couldn't talk about the pyramid scheme,
Yeah.
and now finally, 1 year later, this is out. So I'm letting this have its moment and time for me.
Rom-com?
The idea is commercial next,
Yeah. Okay.
hopefully, if it all works out. But I'm also really interested in like thrillers, true crime. That is something that
You like crime?
yeah, I love.
Okay.
Personally, like those areas really pique my interest.
Any project that you have loved? Would you want to work like something like this in crime? So.
Badla was really good. I really enjoyed Badla. Badla is the one with Taapsee Pannu
Yeah.
and Amit Ji, right?
Amit Ji.
Yes, that was really good. Then other than crime, I really like Taapsee's Thappad also.
Yeah.
Recent times, I don't think I've seen any Hindi true crime.
Something like Badlapur.
I love the first Drishyam.
First Drishyam.
Yeah.
Badlapur is also
Badlapur is very good, yeah.
Varun.
Yeah, I'm a big Varun Bhaiya fan for sure. He's the best.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, he's my favorite. But yeah,
Correct. Thank you so much for the
Thank
wonderful
you,
interview.
thank
and
you so much.
Congratulations once again
Thank
for
you.
the pyramid scam.
thank you.